So you're wondering how Sasha did some of the form work on the side there. So I'm going to show you a real quick way of doing this. Let's do this one. Okay, so 5x5 box. So okay, so name our parameters. Go to our form. Now, if you don't see this iLogic form, you can go to View, User Interface, and then iLogic. So that turns it off and on. So when you come over to the form section, you have globals, external, comes back over forms. Right click, add form. And you can just drag your parts over, or you can multi-select them like that and drag them over. You can name this, and then down here, let's say for length, it shows you appearance. Where is it? Control type. Change that to a slider. Then slider properties, make that bigger. Maximum size 10, minimum size 1, step size, okay. So we can do that for each of them. And you can see it changing over here. Click OK. So then when you bring up your cube, you can drag it all around. So you'll see that this one went off that way. If you wanted to go from the origin, do both ways. And it should get you going. So it goes from the middle, goes to the middle, and goes to the middle. So that's pretty much how you use forms. You can do that with any parameter, really. Just as long as it is there. When you go to edit, you'll see it here in the parameters, or you can look at your iProperties, your rules. You can set up custom iProperties here and custom. So that way we'd say I want to have a text box of label. You have the date and number, so we'll have that just text. Value is size. We can add that. Say OK. Edit this and go to our iProperties. We have our custom. Here's our label. Put that in. Click OK. Now in our cube, we can have that change through here. Now, if you're in your drawing space, you can do this as well. So that way you can have a form come out real quick, and you can have this link into your drawing properties and update your block and other things like that. So hope that helps.